Welcome to the Anjani Bali Interior Design Furniture Production Warehouse. Here, we combine artistry and craftsmanship to create high-quality furniture that is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. With years of experience, we are committed to delivering products that meet the highest standards. Production process. In our warehouse, each stage of production is carried out meticulously. We use the finest raw materials and modern technology to ensure that every piece of wood is processed with precision. From cutting to the final finishing, each step is supervised by our expert team. Raw material selection. We select high-quality wood sourced from sustainable origins. This ensures that our products are not only beautiful, but also environmentally friendly. Wood processing. Using advanced machinery, the wood is cut and shaped according to the predetermined designs. This process is conducted carefully to minimize waste and ensure efficiency. Assembly. Once all parts are cut, the assembly process begins. Our team works collaboratively to ensure every piece is perfectly fitted together, creating sturdy and durable furniture. Finishing. The finishing process is the final and crucial step. We use high-quality paints and coatings to provide an attractive appearance while protecting the furniture from damage. Conclusion. At Anjani Bali, we believe that each piece of furniture we create is a work of art. We are dedicated to providing products that not only meet our customers' needs, but also add beauty to every space. Thank you for visiting our production warehouse, and we look forward to working with you to create your dream furniture.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel